Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we will do a stopwatch project. First, let's run the code. Here we have a button, and when I click and click again, here it gives me elapsed time. If I click quickly, the time is smaller, but if I wait for a long time, the time is bigger. So it gives me elapsed the past time. Okay, let's look at the code. So it's about the time. So we are importing time library here, and from ipywidgets, we are importing ipywidgets as widgets, and we are defining a button, start button, widgets toggle button, description is start here. So we are seeing start, and elapsed time widgets label, because here we are seeing elapsed time, and start time, it's a variable. It's none, or we can just put 0 here. It doesn't matter, because in the function we will change the start time, and here we are defining a stopwatch function, and we are using change here because in the observe we will rerun this function. And first let's look at the this line, start button, observe, stopwatch value. Here, when the start button, when the value here changed, so it means that on off, you click or not, this line, this function restart, rerun this stopwatch function. So what's happening here? First, if we want to change a variable outside a function, in the function we need to use global here. The global start time, this line makes start time variable like global. So I can change. When I change the start time variable here, outside of the function, here also start time will change. Okay, and we have a condition here, change new. If change new is true, here change new is true means that indicate that the button is clicked, button is on. At that time, start time here will be time.time. So we will record, save the time at that time. Else means that new is false. It means that it's already like first we open it and then close it, on off. Else, if it is off and we are calculating elapsed here, time.time, the current time minus start time. So here, for example, I clicked here, the first condition, run, and I save time. After that, I rerun click the button, the second condition will run, and I will subtract time, the current time, from current time is start time. So start time smaller than the current time, and elapsed time, here we define that variable value. We are changing that value to elapsed time elapsed dot 2f. Here 2f means we just have two numbers after the dot, decimal two numbers. If you make it 3, you can take 3 numbers here, more detailed. Okay, and seconds, here what we see, if we change this part, you will see different writing here. Okay, we talked about this one, and then at the end, what we want to see outside when we run, start button and elapsed time. Here, to that we are using a vertical box function here, and as a list, we are writing start button. Here we define that, and elapsed time. Okay guys, I hope you understand that. If you have any question, please ask me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.